Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start your chapter number first poem, The Sick Young Dragon. How dragon looks? Just have a look. This is the picture of a dragon. Dragon looks like this green, yellowish eyes and their wings also there. And when they open the mouth, the fire came out. Okay, so here's a poem about a young dragon who is sick. He is unable to breathe fire as he usually does. Will the dragon get his fire back? Let's read the poem to find out. So this is a poem of a sick dragon who is unable to breathe fire as he usually does. So will the dragon get his fire back at the end or not? Let's just read. "What can I do?" the young dragon cried. "Although I have simply tried and tried, it does not matter how hard I blow. I cannot get my fire to go." What dragon is um, what dragon is saying that what can I do that the young dragon screamed or cried. Although I have simply tried so many times, it does not work when I blow hardly, and I cannot get my fire as I usually does before. "Open your mouth," his mother said. "It's no wonder your throat is red." His mother came and said that open your mouth. There is no doubt that your throat is red. Your skills are cold. You must be ill. I think you must have caught a chill. Your scales means the red part on, in your mouth, that there's two holes, that scales are just red and your scales are cold and you must be ill. His mother said that you must be ill, that's why your scales are cold. I think you must have caught by a chill. The doctor came. He looked and said, Need a day or two in bed." The doctor came and said to the young dragon that you need 1 or 2 days in a bed, means bed rest. Your temperature is down, no doubt. That's the reason your fire has gone out. Your temperature is down. That's why you feel cold, and this is the reason that your fire is not gone out. Just drink this petrol, chew this nail. They will help you to warm up your scales. Doctor recommend that just drink the petrol and chew the nails, and this will help you to warm up your scales. Just take it easy, watch TV. You'll find soon be as right as rain. You will see. Don't worry, watch your TV. You will be fine as perfectly. You will see. The young dragon did as he was told, and soon his scales stopped feeling cold. The young dragon did as the doctor said to him, and soon his scales stopped feeling cold. He sneezed some sparks, his face glowed bright. He coughed and set the sheets alight. Now, now he sneezed some sparks, his face now glowed bright. He curved and set the sheet burning out. Now he curved and set the sheets alight. Alight means burning. So this is a poem of your chapter number first. The poem of your of a young dragon who fell sick, and he's suffering from cold. His mother said, and then doctor came and recommended him to drink petrol and chew nails, and then this will help you to warm up your scales. Don't worry, just watch TV and soon you will be all right. And that young dragon did as the doctor said to him, and he become all right. Okay friends, now let's see the making connection. Although I have simply tried and tried means The dragon tried the simple things. He tried very hard over and over again. He tried hard just once. He tried very hard over and over again. I cannot get my fire to go shows that the dragon wanted his fire to start but he could not do it. Wanted his fire to go away but he could not do it. Wanted his mother to get him some fire but she would not get it. Wanted his fire to start but he could not do it. No doubt that's the reason your fire has gone out. Tell us that the doctor did not know the reason why the fire had gone out, did not want to tell anyone the reason why the fire had gone down, was very sure of the reason why the fire had gone out, was very sure the reason why the fire had gone out. Just watch where your breath fire today means do not breathe fire today. Sit and watch yourself breathe fire today. Be careful where your breath fire today. Just watch where you breathe fire today. Be careful where you breathe fire. Your second question is rhyming words. Find two words from the poem that rhyme with each of the words given below. The first one is fried, cried, and tried. Okay, like this. Just find out some rhyme words from the poem and write down. This will be a homework. Okay, students. Now read the poem given below and fill in the blanks with the words from the box that illustrate the poem. Once there was an elephant. Right first, elephant. No, I mean elephant. Who tried to use the telephone? Dear me, I'm not certain quite that even now I have got it right. However, he got his trunk entangled in the telephone. The more he tried to get it free, the louder burst the telephone song. I fear I had better drop the of elephant and telephone. This is the poem. Funny poem. Okay. Thank you, students.